Namaskar friends, welcome to Pebbles and welcome to my show Dear Zindagi. My today's topic is the Verify Plus on the Binance Exchange. On the cryptocurrencies Binance Exchange, we have to verify plus our account and it is must now. Okay. Before going ahead, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, like my video, and in the description I have given the my contact links, my Telegram channel links, WhatsApp links, and of course links to my cryptocurrency courses. So before watching the video, let us see the disclaimer. Welcome again. Now you may wonder, or you will say that while opening the Binance account, you are already verified the account. Okay, you are given your personal information, you are given facial recognition, you are given maybe your Aadhaar card or driving license or passport. So we already got the verified tick. But let me tell you that on the 7th March 2023, when the Indian government put the virtual digital assets like NFT and cryptocurrency under the PMLA, that is Prevention of Money Laundering Act, from that time all the exchanges or all the entities in the cryptocurrency has become alert and they have started taking the extra KYC. So when today morning I was trying to transfer my USDT to somebody else, immediately my account got suspended temporarily for withdrawals, and I was asked to do the verification plus. I will show you how to do this verification plus and what it is actually. Here you can already see below my name there is a words verified plus, but in your case this may not be there. Okay, for that what you have to do is just click on this avatar and click on the identification. When you go to identification, you will see your account status. Okay, your account status may say that only verified. Why? Because you can see on the right hand side, they have given the verification levels. This your account is only verified, then while opening the account you are given the personal information, government issue ID and facial recognition. Now they have become alert and they have asked for the proof of address for the verified plus. You have to give the proof of address. When you will proceed to give the proof of address, you will be prompted something like this. Here you can see address verification and they say that only the documents listed below will be accepted. You can see this drop down list, number of documents were given there. I selected the bank statement because it was very easy to manage. So all you have to do is download your latest bank statement from your account in the PDF format. Okay, they won't accept your Excel file. Download in the PDF format. I have downloaded the last 3 months. After that, check your address properly and upload the document. When you upload the document, you can see your account will show something like this, that is the in review. Okay, and your application was verified plus is in review. They said they will take 2-3 days, but actually my verification was done hardly in 5 minutes. You have to do this verification even though you are not got any notice or your account is not got suspended anytime, because what will happen in that case, unnecessary, whenever you are in hurry of transferring your funds, your account will get suspended. So I request everyone to do this verification plus and secure your account. After doing the verification plus, again you go to this avatar, go to identification, this page will open and you will get the tick mark, green tick mark, that is the verified plus green tick mark. Okay, by email also you will be notified, and in case it is rejected, you will again get an email of the rejection, and then you have to do the necessary actions and give the papers again or maybe the different proof of address again and do the verification. You may remember that while doing the facial recognition on the Binance, we faced lot of troubles. The out of focus and that in frame was not proper, and so many times some people has to do the verification again and again and again. So maybe in this case also you have to do. There is a last option, verified plus, and there are three types: verified, verified plus, and again they are given verified plus. This third type, I don't think it is for us, because when I tried to submit it, politically exposed, I said no. But here, annual income, employment status, estimated net total net worth, but everything is given in US dollars. It is not in INR, so I don't think we have to go for this. I'll show you one funny thing. Here, the source of net worth, here they are given from gambling also. So I think in the world, the gambling is also one of the major business. So anyway, I don't think that we have to do this, the last step, the third verification we have to do, because you can already see my account limits are already increased, and my fiat deposits and withdrawal limits are 2 million USD daily. Crypto deposit limits is unlimited. Crypto withdrawal is 8 million BUSD daily, and P2P transaction limit is unlimited. Thank you again for watching my video in my Dear Zindagi show. I hope you liked the video and you got some really valuable information. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to see the description, because my contact links and also my courses links are there in the description. Thank you again. Let us meet in my next video. Till then, goodbye.